exploring Tokyo's hidden Edo-Era houses, where the past still breathes. In a city that glows brighter than a supernova at night, you wouldn't expect to find houses that predate light bulbs, but in Tokyo, the past doesn't disappear. It just gets really good at hiding. These are Edo-Era houses, wooden structures from the 17th to 19th centuries, still standing quietly among skyscrapers and convenience stores. You'll find them in districts like Kagurazaka, Yanaka, and Nihonbashi, once bustling merchant streets that survived fires, wars, and real estate developers. Walking through them feels like time just slowed down. Tatami creaks, paper doors slide open, and you half expect a samurai to walk out asking for Wi-Fi. The craftsmanship is unreal. No nails, just joinery, cedar beams, and patience. Many of these old homes are now cafes, art galleries, or sake shops, giving the Edo spirit a second life. One moment you're sipping matcha, the next, a train roars past, and the walls shiver like they're remembering something ancient. There's beauty in how Tokyo never erases. It layers. You can literally feel the centuries brushing past your shoulders. So next time you visit, skip the Shibuya scramble for a moment, and go find a wooden doorway that's been waiting 200 years to be noticed. Traveling with Beatris, because every corner of Tokyo still remembers who it used to be.